Oh, that was a difficult reach to turn that on. Um, well, so I was at Walmart, like, thinking of things to do for mukbangs, and a lot of Christmas stuff is just like cookies, and there's more cookie mukbangs coming this month. There's like a week till Christmas from when I'm filming this, anyways. It should be uploaded tonight, so a week till Christmas. But anyways, I want to do something a little more savory, something a little different. So as I was going through the frozen aisles, I found something that's a staple, at least in my family, at Christmas dinner, and that's Brussels sprouts. I don't know what I was expecting when I bought these. I got the bag, I took it out planning to cook them and eat them. I see that you're supposed to microwave them in the bag. And then I'm like, oh, they're these kind of fucking Brussels sprouts. So now I have a bowl of microwave Brussels sprouts. And as you see, I don't really have the package here or in the thumbnail. So I did pull the package out of the garbage. And that's what you're seeing right now. And I forgot what it's called, but you're seeing it right now. So now we're going to eat these. So, welcome back to Have a White Christmas! Let's get the thumbnail. Let's just get rid of the fork. Here we go. Okay, that's good. I wanted to keep them close to the camera so they'd be in view, but so I think that's perfect. Let's dig in. I'm actually not really excited about eating these. They're kind of slimy. They kind of look gross. They're not really how I would cook them. Bone apple teeth. This is gonna be really hard to do. They're not that good. They're really not that good. I'm like panicking. Oh, there's so many left. People eat these? I am. Why are they sweet in the middle? I need to get a Coke. Just hang on. I need to get a Coke. I need to break up this flavor. I'm sorry. I need to get a Coke. Hang on a second. cherry Coke Zero. Excuse me. All those flavors do not complement each other. I can't eat the rest of these. I get it. The Brussels sprouts are disgusting. First world problems, but like they're really bad. I mean, I'll eat anything. I'll eat gross stuff, but this is particularly disgusting. I think they were Swansons. Ugh, stay away from these kind. Show the logo again right now. Don't eat those. Don't eat those. Yeah. 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 That's why I'm doing so many cookies. I apologize. I apologize for this. This has been a bad mukbang. If you would like to email us, you can do so at earthsuckhole@gmail.com. Don't forget to check out Keith Perry's channel, Soapworthy Productions. You can subscribe there. Subscribe to us, the Earth Suckhole, where you can find more amazing content that's way better than this. This is like the worst thing I've ever eaten on the show. Don't fucking eat these. Let this company go out of business. I don't care. Yeah, this was bad. This was really bad. Is there anything else I may have forgotten? Oh, yeah. Go fuck yourself. Also, have a white Christmas. Okay. Bye.